Hello, welcome to PV Engineers YouTube channel. In this video, we are doing the complete track renewal by using TRT machine, that is track relaying train. Come on, let's start. After getting the block, the TRT machine entering the location of CTR. TRT machine has 14 BRNs with fully loaded sleepers fastenings for today's work. Today we are doing second day's work. The first day's work was done for 260 meters. Two 10 rail panels are changed, clearly saying one single rail is 13 meter. Then 13 into 10 rail. So 10 rail panel contains 130 meters. So two 10 rail panels are changed in first day's block. We are entering in second day's block. Now you are seeing the machine part of TRT. You are watching plow of TRT machine. This portion is used to regulate the extra ballast in the track. This is crawler based sled of TRT machine. The sled is to be attached with the old rail. You can clearly see here, by closing previous day block, renewed new rail is tied with existing old rail with fish plate. For today's work, the fish plate is to be removed and sled is to be tied with the old rail. New rails are to be tied with fish plates. Meanwhile, 8 sleepers are to be removed for the seating of plough portion. New rail has to be set up with the rail handling unit. You can see here, the rail handling unit hold the new rail. Now the sled portion is to be connected with the old rail. The crawler based sled and the old rail is connected with the sling chain with lock. The renewed rail of previous block and today's rail is to be renewed. Both are tied with the fish plate. You can see here the wheels of the TRT run on the crawler based sled. The dynamic plow is to be seated on the ballast profile. Now you can understand why those sleepers were removed. New sleepers are handling and placing in the ballast profile with this sleeper handling unit. These units are controlled by hydraulic cylinders with hydraulic pressure. Sleepers are running on the conveyor belts. The clear distance between the centers and the sleepers are 600 mm, which is maintained by the hydraulic cylinders with hydraulic pressure. The ballast profile is maintained by this dynamic pluff for the seating of sleepers. You can clearly see here the old rail is getting out of the track and new rail is getting in. New rail is correctly placing on the sleeper by the rail handling unit. Meanwhile, ERC clips are driven in the insert by the workers. New rail and old rail is separated by the crowbar. This is sleeper handling controlling unit controlled by track machine operator. Picking of old sleeper is controlled by that control unit. The man is helping the control unit for the proper seating of sleepers on conveyor belt. Another side also they are doing this. If it is not done by the laborers, the sleepers may tilt on the conveyor belt. Now you are seeing the sleeper handling gantries. These gantries are operated by the gantry operators. Already I said this TRT machine has 14 BRNs with fully loaded sleepers. These sleepers are handled by these gantries. There are 2 gantries are available in the machine. Released old sleepers are taken from here by the gantry and placing mid portion of the train. And this gantry taking the new sleeper for the conveyor belt for the working unit. The second gantry helping the first gantry for picking the new sleeper. Placing the new sleeper and taking the old sleeper to end of the BRN. The operators are in the gantries. Without these gantries, it is not possible to sleeper handling. sleepers are removed by the labourers for the stacking of the old sleepers, and also wooden pieces are removed for pickup of new sleeper to the working unit. Alignment and seating of the rail is controlled by this control unit. This hydraulic cylinder is controlling the placing of sleeper with the center to center distance of 600 mm. After completing the work, the sling chain is used to tie the old rail with the crawler based sled. For the closing of the work, the extra ballast is removed on the pluff portion. The existing old rail is to be connected with the renewed new rail by fish plates. You can see here old rail is connected with the fish plate by the new rail. I think this video is very helpful to each and every railwayman and also very interesting to common men. I thank you very much for overall supporting me. Thank you. Thanks a lot.